Want to find out how to make this decorative light up display? Stay tuned. So I had an old pair of heels that were falling apart, as you can see, and I just removed all of the material from them to still have the base of the shoe. And I'm starting off with going ahead and hot gluing the shoe back together because, as you can tell, it is in very bad shape. So I'm just using the hot glue and going through and gluing back the sole to the base of the shoe. That way it'll be all in one part. Once I got done hot gluing, I added a little bit of masking tape just for a little additional strength to the whole project. Next, I'm going to go ahead and spray paint the shoes black again. I am using this chalkboard spray paint only because I did not have any regular matte black paint. So if you have regular paint, I would suggest you use that, but this is just all I had. And then I'm using this Krylon kind of pinkish color to spray paint the base of the project. Once everything dried, I went ahead and started to glue the shoe bases to the platform that we're going to be using, that I spray painted that pink color. Again, we're going in with our hot glue because if it's not broke, why fix it? Hot glue works great. And we're just going to go ahead and glue both of the shoe bases to the piece of wood using the hot glue. Once the hot glue dries, it only takes a couple of seconds because you know hot glue dries very quickly. We're going to move on to decorating using our twinkle lights that I told you guys about. I used it in a few project that was a few projects ago, and I've already went ahead, put my batteries in, and we're going to hide it behind the base of the second shoe. And then we're going to basically wrap the twinkle lights around the shoe however you see fit. I did go in random places and add a little bit of the hot glue just so that it would stay exactly how I wanted it when I was wrapping it around the heel and in a couple of other places. And then because I thought it looked a little plain, I did go back in and add a little bit of this diamond wrap all over the shoe just to up the bling factor, because you guys know the two things I love on this channel is marble and bling. So just go in, add your diamond wrap where you see fit. And here is the finished DIY. What do you guys think? I really like how it came out. It was a creative way to use an old pair of shoes and basically give them a brand new look. This would look great in a walk-in closet right near your shoe area. I plan on putting it next to my shoe wall that was our very first project on this channel. I think it'll be a great addition, and if you turn on the lights, it makes a great lighting piece. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY this week. If you decide to take an old pair of shoes and try this project, make sure you tag me on haiku_creations on Instagram. Leave me a comment down below as to what was your favorite part of this video. Thanks for joining along with me every week. Make sure you guys like this video and hit that subscribe button. Alright, you guys, I will see you next week for another DIY. Thank you so much for being great DIY clubbers, wherever you are and whatever you're doing. Have a phenomenal day. I love you guys and keep creating. Bye.